Alright guys, let's discuss today about two sorting array. Okay, last times we discussed about a combination of two arrays using for loops. Today I'm going to show you using while loop, and these two arrays are sorted first. Okay, and if these two arrays are not sorted, then what is to be done, that also I'm going to discuss in this video. So let me start coding with a static void merge array, and inside that let us give array 1 and then array 2, which is array and array b. Okay, so we need one more array to put into as a result. Okay, so let's create that next array. That one is, let's call it C. All right, and that C is going to be the length of a dot length plus b dot length. Okay, simple. All right, it's very clear. The problem here is that one index is not going to work. That's why we have to create three index for a array, array b, which is second array, and third array. Okay, let's see that one. Int I 0, okay, int j equals 0, and then int k. I'm going to discuss this one by one. Int k is still 0. So this I index is going to be for array 1 here, and then index j is going to be for array b, and index k is going to be for this array c. All right, so now let's start. While I less than a dot length. Okay, and then let's do together at the same time, so that I'm not going to write two while loops. J less than b dot length. Now if that is the condition, now we have to compare. If ai is less than or equal to b j. Okay, a index and then b index is comparing. Okay, less than or equal to, then do what? C, which is the array. Okay, we have new array. C k, k is the index, and ck equals to which one? A I. Okay, do this one. Now the thing is that if it is for loop, it was going to increase its index automatically by I plus plus and whatever j plus plus, right? But we have not that facility here. So what I'm going to do here is that, itself plus plus. Okay, whatever you have, do plus plus. All right, if that is the case, C index is going to take value from a index. Okay, but if that is not the case, do what? So C index, which is k, okay, k plus plus, the same thing. Plus plus means takes the value and then does increment, and it takes value from b. Okay, bj. All right, so up to here what we have done is this. All right, the main part is this. So we are comparing two index from two different array, and then try to give whichever is smaller to the third one. All right, now what if the length of the array is not the same? In that case, we are going to write two more while loops. Okay, these two loops finish here. Now let's write another loop. While I less than a dot length, in that case, do what? C k length, take all from a. Okay, I, and then does plus plus also actually. Now if that is not the case, less than b dot length, then do what? Same thing, similar to upper while loop. C k plus plus, take the value from b j. All right, okay, Now in this case, this while loop is going to work for the same length. If the two arrays are of the same length, and this two while loop is working for the rest of the array for both array A and array B. Okay, now so actually let me do one thing here. Instead of making this void, let me return array itself. It's going to be very interesting. Static int merge array. Okay, now you can see the red underline. So for that purpose, what we need to do, this we need to return it. Okay, so let me return that, return C actually. Okay, now sorting is going to work for if two arrays are already sorted. So what if these two arrays are already not sorted? Then do this. All right, I'm going to show you both. Arrays dot sort. Sort which one? Is C, right? Sort C, and then after return it. So it's going to sort it. Okay, so now let me call it. Okay, let me create one array A and then array B. Let me do one thing. Okay, let me do sorting only. Okay, then after I'll show you unsorted also. Array B. Okay, and then 2 5 7 9. Okay, try to run it. In that case, what happens? Okay, sys out, and then let me call that merge arrays, and then let me pass A and B. Go. Is showing in line 13 problem. Okay, so what really happened in line 13? Let's check it. So bj, there is nothing else like that one, b plus plus. So line 13 is indicating the error. Okay, for int I merge array, then I need to pass A and B here, then sys out, then let me print little bit of a space also. So all right, let me do this. So we have 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. Okay, so this is sorted case. This is both array are sorted. Okay, now let me run this. Actually, let me keep this C here, and then let me unsort it actually. So let me do 2 here, and then 8, and then 1 here. Okay, so what happens if both array are not sorted? Then what really happens? This is still sorted. Why? Because this code is working. Okay, array dot sort is working here. Okay, so let me comment it out and then show you. All right, now let's check. 2 4 2 5 7 8 1 9. So it's not sorted. So this works for only two already sorted array. So if you want to sort it, you have to do this one also. Okay, so let me run it again. Okay, so 1 2 2 4 5 7 8 9, and then if you want to sort it, the unsorted array, then you have to put array dot c somewhere here so that you can sort it out. Thank you.